You work hard, you try to save, but somehow your money disappears. You're not alone. Most people don't go broke from one big mistake. They stay broke because of small habits repeated every day. Here are 10 daily habits that silently keep you poor, without you even realizing it. Habit number 1, ignoring your spending. Not tracking where your money goes is like driving with your eyes closed. Those little purchases, they add up. What you don't track, you can't control. Habit number 2, living paycheck to paycheck. If every rupee is gone by the end of the month, you're not living. You're surviving. One unexpected bill, and everything crumbles. Habit number 3, relying on just one income stream. In today's world, one job isn't always enough. Freelancing, passive income, small side hustles, diversification isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Habit number 4, lifestyle creep. You earn more, so you spend more. New clothes, better gadgets, fancier meals. But if your spending grows with your income, you never build wealth, just better-looking debt. Habit number 5, avoiding money talk. Most people avoid conversations about money out of fear or shame. But silence keeps you stuck. Talk about it, learn, ask questions. Financial growth starts with awareness. Habit number 6, buying to impress others. Spending to look successful is the fastest way to stay broke. That new phone, designer bag, or car. It may get attention, but it won't get you ahead. Habit number 7, not budgeting. If you don't have a plan, your money will disappear on its own. Budgeting isn't about restrictions, it's about control. You can't build freedom without structure. Habit number 8, delaying saving for when you earn more. That day rarely comes. Start small, start now. The habit matters more than the amount. Habit number 9, treating credit like free money. Credit cards aren't evil, misuse is. If you're swiping without tracking, you're spending tomorrow's money with interest. Habit number 10, not investing. Keeping money in a savings account isn't enough. Inflation eats it slowly. Investing, even in small amounts, is how wealth grows quietly over time. Most of these habits seem harmless. They're easy, they're common, but over time they cost you freedom, peace, and opportunity. The good news? You can change any of them, starting today. Which one hit you the hardest? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to break these habits for good, hit that subscribe button. And let's grow together.